For tip 10, I just want to pass along a few pieces of information. So the first thing I want to point out is that OneSearch does not do pagination. What that means is that if you want to access more results, you have to hit the Load More Results button. And each page gives you a list of 10 items. So basically, instead of having pages 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 with each of those pages listing 10 items, you have to continually click the Load More Results. And that can get kind of cumbersome. So you're really going to want to look at your refinement options from the get-go to see if you can narrow it down, because going through 884 results is a lot. The next thing that I want to stress is sign into your account. Make sure that you're saving your queries, and if you see an item that you think is going to be interesting to you, make sure you're clicking that little push button to save that. The reason for this is that if you start going where you're like looking at, let's see, it's not popping up. So if you start looking more into records and then you do additional searches from that record, you might eventually get so far into your searches that it's going to be hard for you to go back to your original search. Okay. Lastly, if the results are unmanageable or that they don't meet your expectation, try to modify your search statement up here, like what we did when we broke out black cat superstitions into black cat as a phrase and then superstitions on its own. And then, as I mentioned before, use the refinement options to narrow down your results to make them more manageable. Thank you.